The way they wrap around like that is just cool.
It's amazing, right? Hi everybody, welcome. In today's quick tips, we're gonna go over why our ZZ plant, Raven, has these bright green leaves. We're gonna go over what that means. So, Amy, you ready to dig in?
Sure am.
Let's grow. The ZZ Raven is a very easy houseplant to take care of. I've given this one to Amy and she's just taken off, right?
Yes, she's got all this new growth.
Yes, we've done a video on that and we'll leave you a link here below so you can see how to take care of her. But we just wanted to show you how this plant will sometimes, and she's doing this because she's very happy, send out new growth, and it's going to come out different than the standard ZZ plant. This is the Raven. This variety has these very dark gunmetal gray, right? But what do you think are they trying to ask us something, Amy? What are they trying to say with the microphone?
I think
they're
saying, I'm very happy.
Oh, is that what they're saying?
I'm very, very happy. Look how pretty and how cool it looks.
So the ZZ Raven will do this type of new growth all the time. So it's going to come out bright green, just like the regular ZZ. But over time, this starts to look like it's not doing well. It starts to get a little weird green gray, and it's almost like a really weird color. I'm like, wow. I was like, what's going on? But this is how it transitions. I thought it was reverting back to the original light green that the regular ZZ has, but this is how this plant does that. And we'll bring you up close so you can see them. But it's so pretty and it's so cool. And it creates this really strong contrast, right? Mm-hmm. Really strong contrast.
Two totally different colors.
Yes.
You wouldn't think it was the same plant.
Yeah. And we have this lone one over here, and I'm like, what's this one doing here?
He's all by and lonesome.
Yeah, we did a house plant propagation video on how you can do this by trimming some ZZs in half and some other starfish snake plants. And this young guy we just put him in, and he's just doing his thing. He's taking off. It's going to take some time for him to add some more, but he's doing great too. And eventually this plant will fill out just like this one over here. And what we'll do now is we'll show you some basic information that you can use to take care of this plant. Basically, that's what we wanted to bring you in today and show you, is that this is such a cool thing. And if those of you who are curious of why they do that, it's totally normal. Don't panic, don't worry. She's just happy. Super cool. I love this plant. Super low maintenance. That's a huge takeaway on this quick tip for you all.
Yes.
So we really want to thank you for joining us. Amy,
Yes.
you have anything you want to add?
Like and subscribe.
Oh, yes.
Come back and see us again next time.
Yes. Until the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell your friends and family. We post videos weekly. Thanks. And we already did our closing.
We did.
Oh, so now we will.